Good evening, and thank you for being here with us. I'm Katie Houston, in for Rob Powers. New tonight, I have learned from the city of Cleveland that they will be putting up new signs at Public Square on Wednesday, enforcing code they say already on the books that says you cannot be there between the hours of midnight and 5 a.m. Violators will receive first a warning, then you may be cited with a minor misdemeanor, they say, if you don't comply. I spoke with Mayor Justin Bibb exclusively today, who said they've continued to beef up security at Public Square, tackling quality of life crimes, and says they have a 24/7 detail dedicated to Public Square. But as he told me in our sit-down interview there, efforts have been underway citywide this summer to reduce crime, and says they're making a difference. It's a great headline for the city of Cleveland, a nearly 40% reduction in homicides over the summer months. City data showing 44 this summer compared to 70 in the summer of 2023.
It certainly is a great milestone for us to celebrate.
But not mission accomplished, Mayor Justin Bibb telling me on Tuesday.
But we have been working around the clock this year to put more officers on the street, to deploy more resources, and to have a more focused, data-driven approach to keep our streets safe and secure.
It's not just homicides. The mayor says the city saw a nearly 13% reduction in total violent crime this summer. What specifically are police doing to make that dent in homicides?
I really think it's been our intentional focus on collaborations at the local, state, and federal level. Earlier this year, we launched the first ever Crime Gun Intelligence Center, which is working around the clock to stop the flow of illegal guns coming into the streets of our city. We've also had a very dedicated details to get trigger pullers off the streets.
He also credits investment in root causes of violent crime, including the first Neighborhood Safety Endowment Fund, giving grassroots organizations in the faith-based and nonprofit communities help to keep young kids off the street.
To divert them from getting involved in criminal activity so they can have a productive life. And I think all of these things working together have helped us to reduce violent crime in our city.
But still, when we're out talking with families, they still tell us they worry about their children's safety. They don't feel safe. How do you improve that, the sentiment of how people feel in the city?
Data is one thing, but perception is another thing as well. And we have more work to do.
The mayor says he thinks it's important to highlight the progress so residents know the trend line is going in a better direction.
Thank you, God.
Executive Director of the Cleveland Peacemakers, Maisha Watkins, celebrates the reduction in homicides and work by the city and community to get here, but agrees that the data doesn't always translate.
People in our communities will hear that there has been a drop in homicides, and they will not feel that because they continue to hear gunshots. They continue to bury their loved ones and friends.
She tells me a collective effort and investment in communities impacted by violence is key.
Because if we're not reaching the hearts and minds of people who have been impacted by violence, the chances of retaliation or choosing violence to survive will continue, and then our numbers will change.
She says Live Free USA was in Cleveland and told officials it takes $10 million to address the violence. She says they're starting small with the Neighborhood Safety Fund to help people thrive and not just survive.
To show up, to not just respond to violence, but to prevent violence, to provide interventions.
Addressing the violence of poverty and food insecurity as well. And the mayor says they're all interconnected and part of their effort to continue to reduce violent crime.
Hopefully we'll see sustainability in the numbers going down.
As for hiring more officers, the mayor tells me they gave out 101 conditional letters at this week's expedited hiring event. And they say more could follow as those who failed just the physical exam can come back and retest.